In this video, we try to summarize all the different types of literature review methods that we have looked at in this particular series. First of all, we have covered the narrative review, which is a general overview comparing the pros and the cons. And in this, it is largely descriptive and not systematic. It is broad coverage and simple to perform. There is a bias in this particular type of a study. Then we have systematic review. It tries to answer particular research questions. It is structured, example Prisma. Then it is reproducible in nature, time consuming and expertise is required. Then we have meta-analysis review, which tries to combine the systematic review with statistical results, and it is quantitative based. It has a high power strong evidence and it needs homogeneous studies for comparison. Then we have the scoping review, which tries to map the literature and identify the gaps in the literature and tries to define the scope of a particular area. Then it is not restricted to a particular research question and it is exploratory in nature. Then we have the critical review, which tries to evaluate the gaps critically or tries to reason what is the quality of a particular evidence or the critique is provided. Then we have the integrative review, which tries to synthesize the empirical with the qualitative or the theoretical aspects. Then we have the state-of-the-art method. Then we have the state-of-the-art research, which tries to focus on the latest research areas and the latest trends. Then the conceptual review, which tries to enhance the definitions. The theoretical review, which tries to compare the theories and define new theories. Then the mapping review, which helps in stratification of the review process. Then there is a rapid review, which provides a quick evidence. The umbrella review, which is a review of reviews, and lastly the qualitative evidence synthesis, in which we try to synthesize the findings of the qualitative research. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much for watching.